This is my most favorite Bombshell brow kit. This tweezers just in case you have stray hairs and you want to remove them to keep them in shape. Step number 1, I use the darker shade, transitioning to the light. I'm creating a box so that her brows can look more structured, and I'm using the lighter shade to transition, and I fill in the areas, brushing the brows so the brows are evenly spread out. The second step is using the brow lift, and you draw a line just below the brow line and blend it out the top of the brows too to create a clean look. Now the third step is adding bling to your brows. So take the shimmer highlighter, just go on the arch of the brow, above the brow bone, and gently dab a little bit of shimmer. So it instantly lifts your brows. The last part is I draw the line and fill it in to make the brows look more clean and sharp.